Hello students, Vande Matram. Today we are going to learn about degrees. Uh, Degrees where we use adjectives to compare, where we use degrees in three different level, in 3 degrees for different level. Adjective are used in 3 different ways. Okay, example positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Like Kishore is strong. So this is what it is, positive degree, where I am not comparing some person or something and Kishore to another boy. Okay, so this is positive degree, but here I am not comparing to any other person. In the above mentioned sentence, strong is used as adjective for the noun Kishore. So here strong word is using for Kishore. Okay, so strong is adjective in Kishore is the noun, but it does not compare Kishore with anything. But you can see in this example, I am not comparing Kishore to another person. So now you can see the next example. Kishore is strong as Mohan. Above mentioned sentence compares Kishore with Mohan. So you can see Kishore is as strong as Mohan. I am comparing Kishore to Mohan. Above mentioned sentence compare Kishore with Mohan with the help of as. Such comparison is termed as positive degree. Now, this is Kishore is as strong as Mohan. That means here it is positive degree. Here I mentioned compares Kishore with Mohan with the help of as. Okay, you can see. Now next sentence, Kishore is stronger than Mohan. Stronger than Mohan. Okay, in second example, Kishore is as strong as Mohan. That means as Kishore has strongness as Mohan. But now third example you can see Kishore is stronger than Mohan. That means Kishore is more stronger, more have more ability of strongness than Mohan. Okay. In the above mentioned sentence we have used er suffix. Then we have used than to show the comparison of strongness of Kishore to Mohan. Such comparison is termed as comparative degree. Okay, this comparison is called comparative degree. Okay, in above mentioned sentence, in this sentence we have used suffix er, strong, stronger. Okay, then we have used then, and after the adjective stronger we use there then to show the comparison of strongness of Kishore than Mohan. Such comparison is called comparative degree. Now, fourth example, Kishore is strongest of all the boys. Okay, in this sentence, Kishore is compared with all other boys. For such comparison, the adjective strong is added with the suffix est. So in superlative degree we used suffix est, and in comparative degree we use their suffix er. Okay, like Kishore is stronger than. But in superlative degree, Kishore is strongest of all the boys. Okay, rules for the rules for the use of comparative and superlative degree. First, normally er and est, this is suffix, are added to the basic form of adjective to make comparative and superlative degree respectively. Like small, smaller, smallest. Tall is using for in positive degree, taller its comparative degree, and tallest. Second, if we have alphabet E as the last letter of the adjective, Then use R and HT, like fine, finer, finest, wise, wiser, wisest. Here is the third rule. If last letter of the adjective is Y, the letter before Y is a consonant. Then use I in the place of Y. Then use ER or EST suffix like heavy. You can see the last letter Y. The Y is consonant. Then use I in place of Y, and then use ER or EST. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. Now fourth rule, in some small adjective the last letter is repeated with while using er or est. Big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest. Now fifth rule, if the adjective used is big, then use more or most before it, like difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. That means if you have long pronunciation word like three syllable or two syllable, difficult, this word are divided in two syllable like difficult, so it changes into more difficult, and in superlative degree most difficult. Beautiful, beautiful, this word is also divided in two syllable, so it changes into more beautiful or most beautiful in superlative degree. Now six, these are some exceptions in the use of adjectives such as good, better, bad, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, many, more, most. Now we can see some examples here. Ram is taller than Syam. Okay, this is what? Comparative degree, because we use suffix er and add then. Now second, red is the brightest color in all. This is superlative degree. Okay, brightest color in all. Sita is good girl. This is positive degree. Today's scenario is worse than yesterday's. Is worse than yesterday, not worser, because this is some exceptions. You can see bad, worse, worst. If you use worst, that is superlative degree, but here is worse, so it is comparative degree. Lakeview is the most beautiful garden. Most beautiful garden, superlative degree. Very few states in India are as prosperous as Gujarat. Okay, now you can see here some more for examples. They are small, but I am smallest. Gold is most expensive metal in all. Aeroplanes fly faster than birds. Rajdhani Express run fastest in all trains. So, students, this is just a introduction of degree. In next video, we are going on for separated comparison of degree. Thank you.